Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I have a good one for you here today. Uh, as you know, I'm no fluff. I'm not gonna. I'm not a salesman. I'm not gonna market to you anything. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm about straight facts. Let's get right into this content. Before we start, like and subscribe to my channel. If you feel like I delivered some delicious, wonderful content, feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, where I'm able to teach you how to invest from scratch, dividend investing, dividend snowball, and basically how to make money in the stock market in the short term or in the long term. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you make $150 per month through dividend investing. This is not a joke. This is not a sales pitch. I'm not here to sell you knives or have you sit through a long, boring, drawn out video. Let's get right into it. How you can make $150 per month through investing in dividend stocks. Let's get right to it. I'm going to break it into 3 examples so that for individuals who are starting with $0 or we at least have some money to show you, to direct you how you can go. Remember, my name is Cadero, but I'm the wingman. I'm your wingman. So let me be a wingman and show you how you can invest and make this $150 per month. I'm going to go through 3 examples. First example is going to be through the ETF JEPI. The second is going to be through actual stock. So the ETF, the second is going to be a stock, and then last I'm going to show you how I go about doing it. There's multiple ways to do it, so I'm going to lay it out so that you don't have to be stuck with just one way of doing it. If you want to, more diverse way or more risk, either way. So, first way you make $150 per month is you can choose to go down the ETF route. The ETF of JEPI has a 11.46% dividend yield. It costs $55.52, and I have went through an example for each one. So, for example, if you wanted to make $150 per month by just investing into JEPI, this premium income ETF, if you were to start out with just no shares, like you're like, hey, Cadero, I just want to start out just today, day one. This is how you go about doing it. JEPI pays a premium income for about monthly. The stock price of JEPI is $55.52. I went in that if you were to contribute $200 per month. Now, if you wanted to contribute more, you can. You'll be able to get to your goal a lot faster. But the goal is to be able to make $150 per month. The dividend yield of JEPI is 11.5%. And this particular ETF, it really doesn't increase his dividend like that, or nor does it, the stock price appreciation goes up. So I put 0 and 0, and if you go down, if you were to do this consistently for 30 years, you'll be making annual dividend income of $50,000. But remember, the goal is just $150 per month. Right here, if you started today, I would say within 6 years, you will be able to hit your goal of about $150 per month if you were to invest just $200 per month. Now remember, that's just only investing $200 per month. If you are able to invest $300 per month, $400 per month into JEPI, since this pays monthly, it will be compounding, and then after 6 years, you have way more than 266 shares of JEPI, and ultimately, you can just let that ride out, and you can just honestly, while you working a job or your side hustle or your business, invest into JEPI and watch and see how I make more money. So, if anybody wanted to go down the route of JEPI, you could just buy JEPI and contribute $250 per month into JEPI, reinvest in itself, and that's it. If JEPI is a little bit too risky and you just want to go down the stock route, then the best way to do it is to choose a stock with a high dividend yield. Example, Enbridge. You see right here, Enbridge has a 6.24% dividend yield. The stock price is $41.90, and it grows about 3 to 4 or 5% per year, which is good. And this is a Canadian company, so it's been around. It's oil and gas, it's energy. Oil is not going anywhere. Energy is not going anywhere. And I have an example to show you just by investing in just to this stock alone, how you can make $150 per month if you didn't want to go the ETF route of JEPI. Let's talk about it. So right here, I started out with just an individual stock. The stock price of Enbridge is $42. The yield is 6.5%. With a annual dividend increase, I put in about 5%. It's usually about 8 to 10%, but I'm being on the conservative side. And then the stock price appreciation for Enbridge, it doesn't really go up that much. So I would say about 2%. And just by right here with this example, if you started off with just 0 shares today, and if you were to invest, let's say like roughly $200 to $250 per month into Enbridge, it starts off slow. But right here, again, within 6 or 7 years, you'll be making $150 per month just investing into Enbridge. Outstanding, right? And with Enbridge is an oil and gas company in Canada. It's been paying this dividend for the past. It's been paying a dividend, increase in dividend for the past 69 years. So as you know, with Enbridge, as I'm telling you, that it's not going to go away. It's one of Canada's prime jewels in their economy. So you don't have to worry about the company going down. It's going to make money. It's been paying dividends for the past 69 years. That's older than me. That's like twice my age. And so you can rest assured that by investing that, it's completely stable. And by you investing within 6 or 7 years, you'll be making $150 to $200 per month just by your dividend investing, the dividend increases, and also the compounding. Okay. Lastly, I'm going to go over how I do it. So if you look at my portfolio, this is my portfolio, and this is my portfolio, and this is how I make around $150 per month. Some months are on the lower end, and some months are on the higher end. So as you look and see, for the month of January, I'm going to be making close to $100 for January. February, I'm going to be making about $100, and as I buy my stocks, that's going to increase as well. And as you see right here, in the month of March, I'm going to be making over $150. And then right here in May, I'm going to be making about $170. So for me, it fluctuates on a per monthly basis because certain stocks shift their payments in different months. So that's why I have a certain amount of stocks that I pay in a certain amount of months to try to even that out, the dividend payments. But right here, it shows right here, just wanted to show proof in my portfolio that I walk the walk out, and I walk the walk, I walk the talk. I'm not just here just to blow smoke up your butt. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I walk you through 3 examples of how you can do it. You can go about it. Do the ETF way with JEPI. I would say that's the quickest way. Then you also get paid monthly. Just buy JEPI per month. Buy $200, $250, $300 worth of JEPI per month. Boom. Or if you want a stock per se, you can invest to Enbridge or Arbor Realty Trust, ABR. Just buy those 2 stocks. Invest $200, $250 per month. Those are high yields. You'll get to your goal within 5 years. Or you can go down my route where you hold a basket of stocks. I have over 30 stocks in my dividend portfolio, as you see. And for me, I have 30 stocks to hedge against anything that happens to the market. So for me, I don't want to invest in just one thing. And I like investing to 10 plus stocks so that I know that at least when one goes down, I have the other 9 stocks to carry the loads. But that's my route. But with my route, my dividend, as you see, in my route, my dividend yield is a lot lower. And with a lower dividend yield of 2.85%, I'm producing an annual income of $1,966, but with me, it's going to take a lot. Uh, it's going to take a lot longer for me to reach that 150, 200, $250 per month because my yield is a lot lower compared to if somebody wanted more income now, they would invest more into JEPI, more into the high dividend stocks to get that income. Right now, I take an approach where I want growth and I want income. So I also invest into JEPI, as you see right here. I have JEPI in my portfolio. I have uh, I have ABR and I also have Enbridge. It's right there. I have Enbridge. So I do have these stocks in my portfolio. So I'm not going to recommend something to someone or to the public that I'm not personally investing my money into, but I'm also investing to also growth assets, dividend stocks like Microsoft, Apple, etc. So I take both approach to gain into my one goal. But for this video, if you just wanted to make just $150 per month, then you got to go the high dividend ETF JEPI route or high dividend route with ABR or Enbridge, and then within 4 to 5 years, you'll be making $150, $200 per month. If you really enjoyed this content, I implore you to like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you feel like you learned something, this delicious content that I'm putting out, then subscribe to your boy, support me, support this content, and also share it out to your family and friends, because I know a lot of people don't know where to start when it comes to investing, or at least to make money into the market. So let me be your wingman to help you and show you how to invest, or at least point you into the right direction to learn how to make money. All right, if you enjoy the content, I just want to say thank you for looking through and seeing this whole video. Appreciate it. All right, bye guys.